Whew. So let's see what went wrong with our analysis and what went right with our analysis. So in the previous video, I told everyone that I'm looking the gold on the bearish side, and today's opening time the market did went to the downside, but after some time the market completely reversed. I mean, in the evening the market completely reversed and gave us a sharp upward movement. Okay, so if you watched earlier video, uh, you know what I told. So the market is looking like a range, and if we want to get a clear direction or a clear view, we need to zoom out. What does that mean? That means we need to switch to a higher time frame to see what is actually the bigger players are trying to do. So let's switch to the daily time frame. Oh my god, what is happening here? Okay, the daily guys are still on the downside. Okay, so let me annotate. Okay, the daily guys are also, still on the downside. Okay, and if we check on the 4 hour time frame, you can see on the 4 hour time frame market is making new highs. Okay, market is making new highs. Okay, so on the earlier video I told you that on the daily time frame the market is on the downside, and what is the plan of action? I mean, which direction we want to trade? I told you we want to trade with the bigger time frame, and the bigger time frame the daily guys are saying that the market is in the downtrend, so we want the 4 hour guys to say that we are also in a downtrend. Okay, then I switch to 1 hour time frame. Why I switch to 1 hour time frame? Because we saw the time that you see this this uptrend was healthy, but after that, this uptrend, this little body guys, the momentum, they were losing the momentum. So I wanted to look in the micro picture, what is actually happening today. Okay, so when I choose to the 1 hour time frame, I mean one time frame lower, we can easily see this part over here. The market made a new low and unable to make a new high. Okay, what does that mean? We saw on the 4 hour time frame that the buyers are losing momentum, and on the 1 hour time frame the market already shifted its direction to the downside. Okay, I think it's clear that. So that's why I told you guys to look for the sale from here, and I actually took a sale at the price of 4710, and I closed it somewhere here. Okay, around 70 or 75, I don't remember. I closed it here today. Okay, I kept that position open over weekend, and uh, why I closed my position over here, that is the important matter. Let's discuss that. Okay, so I told you one level on the 4 hour time frame that the market in the 4 hour time frame is on the uptrend. So I want the market to cross below that level and give proper closing, but the market did come down they from that level, but immediately went back in. That was a warning sign for me. Why? Because the on the 4 hour time frame the market is in uptrend, but these guys are unable to make a lower low. I mean, I wanted to trade with the down daily guys, but what the daily guys were saying that we have to sell. So the in the 4 hour time frame the market is in uptrend, I cannot sell. Why? Because I want the 4 hour to shift to the downward direction, but it was unable to make a new lower low, so I did not sold it. Okay. uh, what make me to close this position? Actually, I saw the, oh my god, too much drawing, too many drawing. Okay, so what I saw there, that the load they make did not sustain, they immediately come back in. So I closed my position, and I was thinking the market may test this level once again. Okay, after that sale may continue. So I switched back to 1 hour time frame, and I saw, see, this part over here, that is the part I'm discussing. They crossed downward direction but immediately got back in. See, if you see this, this big red candle, after that a much bigger green candle, that is absolutely opposite. Okay, I wanted him to close below this level. They closed, they attracted seller and immediately got back in. That was the point I was interested, that okay, maybe the 4 hour is not ready yet. Okay, then I switched back to 15-minute time frame on the much lower time frame to actually see what is actually happening in the micro picture. Okay, micro level. So I saw, see here, this is the part. Okay, what do we see here? See, the market made a range, then gave the breakdown and immediately got back in. Oh my god, that is too much, retracement. It almost retraced about 70 plus percentage. That is not a good reversal. That is not a good pullback. Then the downward continuation was coming very slowly. See, they are coming very slowly and unable to make a new lower low, and immediately reversed. Okay, I took my position on 70. What is the level? 70, and I kept my SL just below these guys, 60, and I closed at 4745 because that was the target level. What I told you earlier, that I thought the market may test this level once again, so I kept my target just little bit lower to that level, and it hit my target in no time. I mean, it took around 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles. I mean, 1.5 hour, and it was a big target for me. I'll share the screenshot with you guys, or a screen recording after that. Okay, so don't worry. It was a pre-planned trend, and what about now? What we can do now? See, we cannot do anything right now. It is on the middle side. Okay, they gave a big trend. After that, they will trap. Okay, they will trap. So don't trade right now. You can avoid trading, or right now. Come tomorrow and trade. There will be always a trade. Okay, so come tomorrow. Don't trade today. The market already moved too much. Okay, so don't trade. Hope you learned something from this video, and stay tuned with my YouTube channel. I will try to upload my daily trades so that you can learn something from it. Okay, bye bye for now. Take care. Love you guys. Love you. Bye bye.